Welding sparks flying, a bright golden show. Old steel transformed, making boats glow. In the workshop where dreams are built bold, fettling wood and metal, stories unfold. And his craft guided by his steady hand. Nogan Wales Channel fans understand. We watch and reshape and restore. Narrowboats ready, they'll sail once more. With passion, skill and pure delight, he brings the boats back to life. With every hammer strike, echoes of the past, cropping with patience, steady and fast. Just clouds and laughter fill the air sweet. In every smile, his pride's complete, sharing his journey one video at a time. Nogan Wales, his online climb. We watch and reshape and restore. Narrowboats ready, they'll sail once more. With passion, skill and pure delight, he brings the boats back to life. Guided by dreams of water and sky, creating beauty with each goodbye. Watchful eyes and steady hands, crafting stories that sail across land. We watch and reshape and restore. Narrowboats ready, they'll sail once more. With passion, skill and pure delight, brings the boats back to life.
Morning folks, welcome back on board Potemkin. Sunday before New Year's, couple of days to New Year's Eve, at quite late coming today along. It's about 11 o'clock now, so we haven't got that many hours of sunlight, but we can carry on, progress things, because I need to get this boat finished and moved on to, hopefully by I don't know, midsummer time or something this year. Anyway, carrying on with these doors. We've got the Euro lock welded in, works fine. We've now got to, that's the master door, the one that opens, there's your master door, and the slave door, the other side, which you have your bolts to lock up and down, so it becomes solid and the other door locks into it. We're going to put bolts in for that, so instead of having, you can get these like face fitting bolts and all that, there's not a lot of choice really with stuff like that. They're a bit Mickey Mouse, most of them, you know. You don't take a lot of ripping off really, but if you got internal bolts that you can throw, and you know, good pin goes up through the steelwork of that and down through the steelwork of that, that's best you can do really. And I have seen over the last year or so on YouTube, there was building an narrowboat with Nanny and Grandad. They use this one I've purchased, and Lee and Ali building the Black Swan, they use the same things that I've purchased. So I'm going to use these, but sort of different to how they've done them. But what we've got is the door, the blank that goes in, the card or whatever you want to call it. Right, this will cover it totally, and I've route this lot out to allow it in. There's my specs. So we've got basic garage door bolts. Right, that's them. Let's have a look. That the keys, I think, so in there. Yeah. So you've got 2 points to secure them to the door, and you have these keys, and you get a really long long throw of a bolt there. We won't need it that long, we'll chop these off down here somewhere. So I'm going to secure those to the steel frame of the door, the panel. I'm going to route this out so it goes around them, and we'll just simply drill a hole through this side for the key to work. Now they do supply some door nuts and bolts, which I could drill a hole straight through and have that door on the outside. But I thought of another way so I don't have to pierce the door and it's all inside, and that would be to use these tube nuts, but having a look at that, they're not going to work, they're too big. I can't get smaller ones. So that's that. Now these will work fine. We'll put these through and I maybe weld them on actually on the outside. But same there, you've just got to overcome, haven't you? You've got to overcome the problem. So they'll go through there and bolt it to the door. Right, so that's what we're on with. It looks like plan B, because those, I'll never grind those down enough to go in there, which is a pity, but such is life. They just won't do it. They just won't grind down enough to go in there. I didn't measure them or anything, I picked them up, but I actually want them for something else anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm using them for another job. So that's it, I'll get it set up and we'll get this bolt system fitted. So setting this out now, because of this angle perimeter here, it's you want that like there, but it needs packing up to the same level, otherwise it's going to tip over. So just basically some flat bar, cut it off at that line. That will support that flat. But to drill through that, we'll drill those holes oversize on that because it's only a packer. We don't want to be fighting to get it on. And then we'll drill the holes through there to take, it's an M8 bolt, so we'll probably put 10mm holes through or something. But I need that to, we've got square head on these bolts, so either grind those off and round them, or we drill it to that size. Oh yeah, so 10mm, fine, it will go in. So that's the first thing. We need to make 2 of these packers. Just mark them off, drill them out, and then we can mark through here, drill those holes, and also for the bolt to shoot we have to drill a hole in here. So that's it, we're on with that. Okay, so that's the packer made, drilled oversized because it's irrelevant, as long as it sits as long as the bolts go through it, doesn't matter. So now, I need to sit this on here, line these up, Right, so that's all lined up now. We've got an equal distance from this angle, and with the deep hole marker we can mark through. Right, so there we have the two holes we need to drill. Let's put crosshairs on them. So now drill through that 10mm hole.
Parents 20% of private school fees, claiming she would be the voice of pushing middle class parents who've been priced out of sending their private school. Voters angered by his family farm rights, with just 1 in 5 feeling late.
That's the two holes in. So they go through and sit up flush now. That's it. Then the packer on. All done with it. So these are handed. That's the front face, right? So that goes up to the door internally, so your bolts are handed. So the one I want to have the bolt on the outside of there is that one. Right, so that will then just bolt in there. What I need to do now I'll show you. So we've got the bolts through, so what I need to do now is a hole in here for that bolt to shoot through. Right, we'll get the handle on this master door, tighten it up and see if it works alright with that shut. That's it, works fine. So I have to copy that down to this bottom door, sort all the inserts out, routed out and that. At time is it? 2 o'clock, so it took 3 hours to do this so far. It will want the striking plate and everything put on here yet, and all trimmed up nicely. We'll do some overlap on here, so I'll get on with this bottom bit and I'll come back after that. Right, that's it, we're locked up. I can now come in and out from pointy end of the boat. Not with a up and back, climb over engine bay and down and mess around. I come in and out that door, and then when I go home I can lock it up without you know, doing all that malarkey. So plenty more to do yet, nowhere near finished is it. We're going to get the cards cut, get the both sides done, plates in, drill that all better, but it's now getting dull. It's the end of the day, still winter, not spring yet. Yeah, so that's it for this one. I shall get off home, I'll have some dinner. Right, so I'll call it quits for this one, and we'll come back next time and we'll finish that lot off, get that working, get some trim around it with seals on. Don't know, anyway, plenty to do here, and then I'm going to get back in that bathroom and finish that, because I've got the cupboard made and the worktop and what have you, so I'm going to get all that finished next. Right, that's it then. That's it for today. Well tidied up, hoovered round, a nice clean workspace to work in next time, start off in. I'll make it mucky by the end of the day, we'll have to clean up again, won't we? Anyway, so that's it. That'll be the last one for this year actually. So, what are we, Sunday today? New Year's Day is Wednesday, isn't it? So, I hope you all have a good New Year's Eve. Don't drink too much beer, it's not good for you. Go and have a blowout, go mad. Anyway, so thanks everybody for all the comments this year and all the support from people and wishing me well over my operation, having the knee done and that, and it's not too bad now. Took a lot of getting over actually, because I had some other problems, but the knee were fantastic, but then I had other problems, nerves and that in my legs. But anyway, we're on the mend now, New Year's coming, time to start thinking about what we can do this coming year. So when spring's here, I know we've got 2 or 3 months of when the weather can get quite severe, you know. I don't know, it normally freezes up somewhere along the line. So we'll carry on doing what I can anyway. So I'm in that bathroom after this door. But it all locks up, so I'm happy with that. Good day's work today. And now I can just exit and enter through the front door without climbing through the back hatch, you know, with the engine and all that. Brilliant. Just walk up to the boat, get on. So anyway, that's it. So I'll see you all in 2025. Ta-ra!